guys, and welcome to Build a Boat for Treasure. So I have played this game a little bit with my brothers, so I do have some stuff, as you can see right here. So I think we should just straight get into this, because me and one of my other brothers have a plan to record. I mean, we don't have, not to record, we have a plan to play this game. Oh wait, I'm doing my style. So I have a special style. I was talking to my brother that I might be playing with today about it. And I do it like that. And then it's really hard because I'm scared in case I get it like not even. And then okay. Also, I don't do webcam on my videos for a reason, which is because it glitches out. But I'm gonna have a really short video that'll be short enough because it's about 1 minute and 20 seconds when it starts glitching. So I'm gonna have a minute less than that to show you guys my new haircut, because it is a very, very different haircut. So that's why, if you want to know why I don't use webcam, there you go. So it's a very fun style. Ooh. Oh no, I'm out of wood. That's why you shouldn't build too much than you can. Okay, right. I've got a really cool idea I was gonna do. I was gonna build a house and see if that survives, because I have doors and stuff. I don't think it would be super cool if it did survive. Oh. Also, thanks for watching this video so much. Why did I spend money on a webcam when it doesn't work? Who knows? I can still use it with my friends if I call them on Skype though, so yeah. I built this far too big. I don't know. Like, far too big. I just keep having to destroy them. I don't actually know how to paint, so I need someone to teach me that. So. Oh, it's 500 gold to get painting tour. Nope. Okay. I don't have enough to. I just really want to test out the door. That's basically it. I think, even though it's not going to be a really good house, I still think I want to add the door. Okay. I'll use this. Oh my god, beautiful. This isn't going to be a very good boat. I just really want to test out all the stuff, so let's place my chair down. Add a button down. I don't know what colour button it is, this is the thing. It's definitely a weird colour. It's black. It's a white button, okay. And then the hatch. Okay, and then I'll just build glass at the sides and glass in the front and door. This is just to keep me alive, okay? It's not beautiful, but I don't care. My phone just updated and the noise ruined my recording. I don't even know if you guys picked up the noise of that, my phone updating. But if my microphone did, that was my phone recording. I mean updating. My phone is not recording, do not worry. I might actually be alive for this. Is Discord still open? No, okay. Okay.
So a little bit more specific than wildcards.
There we go.
Basically, Oliver, the justification for it is
Sorry, you can hear noise. Well, if I know you in real life, you'll be able to see my haircut perfectly fine. Without your eyes glitching, am I right? I actually did not think this technique would work, but it's actually doing quite well. And I was only doing this to test out the blocks, but I feel quite safe. What? Oh, chocolate's really good. I'm glad I made it. I am green team, in case you are wondering. As you can see, I'm not here, so I am green team. Also, if you friend request me on SUCCSEED, I will not be accepting. Sorry. But I also don't accept any more friend requests on this, except if I meet you in game and we do some kind of roleplay thing together. I've kind of slapped a bunch. This room is so nice. Also, everything is so cool in first person mode. You can open the door and close it. Oh my god, that is so cool. Okay guys, I'm having a look. I had no idea. It's going to become an episode where I'm really good at this game. I've got like a ton of wood, a ton of everything. And then I'll start doing challenges like building a house on Build a Boat. But the thing is, that day is not today. That's so cool, the door. And then I'll make chair like the chair will be like a desk and everything. I'm so hungry when I'm filming this video. This vote is doing surprisingly well. I expected it to do way worse than this. I did not mean to do that. Oops. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think this is going to be the level I die on. Most definitely. And stuff, and I'm going to use I have no idea what that was. I know exactly what that is. You see green team, because green is the color of Shrek. Okay, now I'm actually going to build a good base. Okay, Build a Boat for Treasure is a really good game, by the way. So make sure that you come over and try and play it. If I have friend you on Roblox, totally play the game with me. It's one of those games that you get addicted for a very long time. I mean, there's some games that you get addicted for, like, ever. But this is one of those games that, I mean, at first you're like, nah, that's not my kind of game. And then you play it, and then you're like, yeah, this is good. This house is not going to be color coordinated. I wish I could paint, but I don't have 500 gold, so, no. I don't have the Robux to buy gold. Seriously, I have no Robux right now. 0. I don't actually know who this game is by. If you are smart and you checked when I showed you how much Robux I had, it's by that person. So, do what you want to them. Not telling you to do anything. But totally follow their account. How do people get so good at games? It's just a question I ask myself. Why am I bad at games? This house is quite old, so it's a little bit rusty, as you can tell. Okay. I'm gonna add like some windows. I want to add it right here, so. Goodbye. You're being replaced today. Right here. Okay, and then I can add a little chair. Guys, I want you to come to my house. So it's not the prettiest thing ever, but I have a design of giving mine roofs, so. Because I know a lot of people that play this game and just don't give them roofs, so I always give mine roofs because I think they're better with roofs. You guys better too. See if my boat survives. If it does, I'll be winning 100 coins. Yes, I'm ready to launch. Okay, doing pretty well so far. I don't think about protection that much. So, Okay, we take some mild damage right here. We're on the 2nd level, and we are breaking off pieces minute by minute. We are very destroyed. We have got, well, not very destroyed. The top's all good, and the back is pretty okay. But the side and the front are not so good. And of course you can open the door and see me, but then you realise that's a terrible idea because you could bump into a rock. After I've done this boat, I'm probably going to end off this episode because it's quite a long one. Oh my god. Okay, we're in a gear room. Seems to be a special room. I do like this design, like a house design. So if you want to kill yourself, you can. At first, I thought the paintbrush room. There's a room which has paintbrushes, right? And what room was after this? Oh, I didn't know you could look above. This one. Oh my god, I had no idea I was already in there. I wonder how much money I've earned. No idea. just an icing. Nothing but rocks, really. And the house is not a house anymore. Sad. Oh god. Getting very destroyed. Probably should have fought through them. I mean, at least we've got a door for protection. For some reason I seem really happy instead of being a crybaby. Guys, this is the bad one. I'm on the one that... Ah, no. 38 gold. Well, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.